Hello, Jelly Shark here for 5-Star Marine with 5-Star Dog. So today's video is all about merchandise. That's right, merch. And I'm here to present my ideas, such as this, which we'll explain later, to Sean. It's a little bit like Dragon's Den or Shark Tank, and you're gonna come with me and see what merch ideas I can come up with. Cool? Good, let's go. I go that way. So listen, a few months ago, maybe a year or so ago,
a few years ago,
you mentioned that we should start doing some merchandise with 5-Star Marine. So I've come up with some examples that I'm going to present to you that I think we should sell.
Oh, this is like a Sharks kind of
it's
thing,
like,
Jiggy.
Yes, it's like, what's it called? A Dragon's Den Shark Tank,
yeah.
okay? So, I'm going to present you the things, and I've got...
Let me get more serious then. Yes.
Okay, are you ready?
I'm ready.
What's that?
That's my serious face.
That's just weird. Right, okay, so I'm going to present you some stuff, and you're going to see if they're going to be good.
Don't know what's going on, never seen this stuff before.
So first of all, you know how sometimes you get really sunburnt when you go out on a tour? I think we should buy these. Now, have you seen these? These are awesome. The Chinese love these, okay? I know we don't have many Chinese guests, but anyway, these I think are brilliant, okay? Look, it's got a little cap that you can zip up, and it's sunproof, but it's also, feel how light it is. It's actually quite good, isn't it?
It is quite nice.
Yeah, you didn't think it was going to be this crap, did you?
No, it's quite good. Where did you buy it from?
I can't tell you that.
Lazada?
Yes.
That's
Do you want to put it on?
Actually.
He's putting it on. I didn't think you'd do this. I thought you'd reject it straight away. But it's got the sun visor, and it can get wet. Yeah. And look, this is the best thing, right? It can zip right up, zip it up,
oh, God.
zip it up. Zip
okay,
it up.
now I'm...
No, I'll do it for you. I'll do it for you.
I'm calling it.
No. Look at that. Look at that.
I can't see.
Okay, look.
Good?
There may be some safety concerns
There you go.
this.
You can see now. You happy with that one?
Yeah, look.
Maybe. Put it in the maybe pile.
Look, I'm putting that in our... I've never seen a guest in our life wear it pile, and I thought the idea was to be profitable.
Yes, but
So
they
we
don't
should be
wear
trying-
it because they can't buy it.
We should be trying to sell them things that they want to buy.
I think that's good.
That's going to go in maybe...
Okay, you're gonna...
Maybe if...
You're going to love this one. You're going to love this one.
Okay.
You know, sometimes after a long tour, you're a bit tired.
Yes.
All right, but it's so bright out there.
The dog is licking my face.
Okay, the dog's licking feet.
I have very ticklish face.
Stop it. You know it's a bit bright out there sometimes.
Yes. Oh,
not so
God,
much today. How about these? These, and also, they got fries, so you can have a little sleep on the way home.
Can I ask you a question?
Yes.
Why did you bring your OnlyFans collection with you?
Anyway, I think these are... Do you not think these are good?
What are these for?
They're for rest. Put them on your eyes. Put them over your eyes.
I'll take off my branded hat.
Yes, take off your branded hat.
And
Put them on. And now look at the camera. And it looks like you're awake, but you're not. And you're actually sleeping, but it looks like you're awake. Look. You can't see that.
These would work well for the guides on the way back from Himalayan.
So is that a yes or no?
That's a big no. I don't think anyone will buy that.
All right. You're going to love this one.
Did you buy this from the shop where nobody buys anything?
You love this one. Look at this, right? Now, you know we sell watermelon. We don't sell. We know we give away watermelon.
Yes.
How about I give all the guides one of these? This is a watermelon cutter into a shape of a lollipop, and then you get a little handle. I should have actually bought a watermelon to show you how it works, really, shouldn't I?
The guides already cut it like that.
So
they use the rind, and then they cut
but this does it without cutting. You can just push it down.
No, because then they can get all artistic.
So that's a no.
Show some of the very artistic versions of the fruit, please, Miguel.
Thanks, Miguel. Right, that's a no then. Okay, all right. Now hold on. You'll love this one. Right.
Honestly, did you spend company money on this?
No, I didn't spend any company money.
I really hope you didn't.
This, Sean, you know sometimes when we go out on maybe our bio tour, we go to Phang Nga Bay and we go out in the kayaks, right? And sometimes you might want to take a drinky poos with you on your kayak, and you've got nowhere to hold it.
No hands.
That is a drink holder for a kayak. Do not ask me how it works, because I don't know, but that's what it was sold to me as. I think you just, you strap it through, I don't know.
Just strap on.
It's not suction, is it? No, yeah, that was no good. No, that's no good. No.
Jay, we're 3 swings and
Right.
3 stripes.
Oh, you like this one? This one's good. This one, I think actually, this is brilliant.
Okay.
Right, this is brilliant. Comes in a little pack, right? Look at this.
It's got a pack.
Yeah, yeah.
What is?
Right, do you know what that is? Do you know what that
Looks
is?
like you need to put it on your back.
Do you know sometimes when you're on the boat trip, right, and you just want to put your feet up, you don't want to put your feet on the chairs, right? You hang that off something, and then you put your feet up, and you can hang your feet. It's actually designed for airplanes, to be fair.
On our boats, we have the eskies in the middle, and they just put their feet
You
up.
don't
on
want
the
to put your
esky.
dirty feet on an
Relax.
esky. No, no. but
Even
that's-
on the seat,
come on.
like this.
Come on, mate.
Like this.
Come on, mate. That's really good. You got to admit, if you was
You know,
on
actually,
an
what I
airplane,
thought that was, I thought that was this. You put it around your back because you're getting a bit old. You don't want to carry the kids anymore, and it's good back protection.
No, it's a foot
I've seen
hammock.
you wear this
I have
as a
worn
back
one.
protector.
I have worn a back protector, but that's for a whole other story. But that is a foot hammock. No,
The dog's eating the cup.
the dog's in the kayak cup. It doesn't. So that I think is brilliant. I'm keeping that. For
If you
myself.
wanted to buy a kayak cup, it's now gone. The dog's eating that.
Dog's eating the kayak cup. Right now, hold on. I've got more stuff for you. More stuff for you.
We're getting so
hold on.
professional
Hold on.
here.
Sure.
Ah, it's licking my feet again.
Sean, how about this, right? You're out on tour, okay, and you go to a beach, but you don't want to sit on the sand, you don't want to get sand up your bum, do you?
Yeah.
No. So how about you take this? Look how quality that is. That is a quality chair, mate. I've got it in army colours, so it's camouflage.
Okay.
Joke here. Took me ages to find it.
Let's do this.
Yeah.
I'm gonna grab this camera here,
Yeah.
and you're gonna sit on it.
Can we do that at the
No,
can we do that at the end?
No, let's do it.
Okay.
This camera?
You grab whatever camera you like. Where do you want
Right
to
here.
sit on it? Because we haven't really...
All right, come stand up. This is our amazing setup we have here. We've got 3 cameras on.
my dog treats
Got a dog.
Alright, here you go.
All right, let's see if you can fit in this.
Alright, let's go.
All right, just here, just here.
By the printer, yeah?
Yeah, that's it.
I'm really not looking forward to this. Here we go.
Oh gosh,
It's fine.
it's comfortable.
No,
Yeah, put your feet up. Relax. Really relax.
Well, if I had the foot,
No.
what, Sean? I can't do it.
Really, let your feet go out.
No. But look, this is the thing. See, this is what you don't understand. If I had this is the foot hammock, right? And I put my feet up like that in the hammock.
The dog's gonna pull the camera down.
Oh, my God. I've had a bit of a disaster with the dog. But look, what do you think? And then that hangs up somewhere, and they got. That's good, mate.
Yeah, that looks like the most uncomfortable thing I've ever seen in my life.
It's actually all right. Yeah, right. Okay. I think we're back.
Yeah.
I'm not sure. Okay.
All right, what do you got next?
All right, Nick. Is this fun?
So at the moment, none of this passes. Nobody wants any of
This
this.
has taken me
crap.
about 3 months to get all this stuff.
Right,
Right, okay. Next up, you've seen this before, Sean, but sometimes when you're out there, okay,
Oh no.
right, you want to use your hands,
Oh,
on,
gosh,
but
no.
then you want an umbrella hat,
Look, I like
branded,
The,
branded.
I like the idea of a hat, but not an umbrella hat.
It keeps the sun off you and it keeps the rain off you.
Yeah, no.
No?
Look, here's the challenge. You're going to take all of this out, and you're going to go sit on a beach, and you're going to use it all. We're going to film how many people laugh at you.
Stop. Right. These ones you're going to laugh, mate. I'm saving the best to last. All right? You know we always have to take our shoes off when we go on the
What are we
boats.
doing PPE again?
No, look at these, right? These are boots for your shoes, so they don't get wet, so then you don't have to take them off every time you get on the boat either.
I
Look, this,
remember wearing these in the old P days, C days. We can't say those words because YouTube will ban us.
but what do you think? They're good, aren't they, Ayo?
No, honestly.
Non-slip.
Did you bring anything that's serious? Anything
Yes.
that we could possibly sell?
God, yes.
Anything that we
Here,
could
look.
make money from?
You know when you go and have a coffee on on the boat trip, right?
Yeah.
And oh no, I've lost my lid,
Yes.
right? And then the coffee falls. I didn't put coffee in it. The coffee falls out, right? Watch this, yeah. Just get one of these things. It's a silicone cup. It might be. I think it's. I have seen these before for something else.
Say ooh.
I'm assuming this is the right. Yes.
This is a nipple cover,
Well,
right?
it's either that or it stops you from making babies.
What did he say?
But anyway, right? Watch this. Watch this. Look! That's pretty good though, hey? And then you don't spill your coffee.
What kind of pressure can it take? No pressure. Someone's got 3rd-degree burns now.
You did that on purpose. Look, that's perfect.
No, I didn't. Look, I just grabbed it and I said, how much pressure
You're
can
knocking
it
it off.
take?
Yeah, but it's not.
The water's gonna fall on it. Jesus.
Don't throw that, because that's hard. Okay, all right.
Where's the dog? Yeah,
Sure.
yeah.
Sure, sometimes,
Come
but-
and eat this one.
I'll tell you what, right? Okay,
I think Wiggle Bum eating the internet cable.
Wiggle Bum, stop eating the cable. This one is friggin' awesome. Okay, you know we have to clean our feet before we get on the boat. I can see your eyes lighting up, right? We put this, it sticks to the floor. It sticks-ish, so it doesn't move. You put your foot in it, cleans your foot, and you get a pumming stone for your hard feet like you've got.
Actually, out of
That's actually good, isn't it?
every single thing you've bought so far,
That's good.
I wouldn't make a customer buy it, but I might buy it for the boat.
It's good, isn't it?
Oh, feels.
It's nice. That's a win. But if everyone had those,
Wow. Oh,
okay,
God, that feels good.
what's going on?
Feels like heaven.
Feels like heaven.
But I do have a problem
Yes, you do.
because I don't have any toenails on my big toes, and this little bit there touching that little bit, oh, it's going to be quite painful.
It's good suction. Right, okay. Next thing then, I've got one left.
Oh gosh,
I brought this and I thought I better not mention that one. That was just in the bag.
Oh,
Yeah, that's bad, isn't it? Can I just say we don't support anybody? Right, this is the last one then, okay?
we're non-binary.
It's the last one, okay? Sometimes when you're on a boat trip, you get caught short, right? So, I got one of these, and we can sell these to everyone because, you know, sometimes little children or mums or dads, they get a little bit caught short. It's got a funnel, okay, that fits to that bit, and then you can imagine where that goes, can't you? Shall I show you or not? Or
Yeah, move on.
It's not a drinking container.
Yeah, move on.
Is that a no?
No, that's a big no. So I want to just.
I have got one thing left, but this wasn't for this. Is actually for me. This is an egg poacher that you put your egg in this silicone cup and then you put that in the boiling water and you get poached egg.
So what I would like to do is recap.
Yeah. What do you want to recap?
You've spent 2 years
No. Yes.
coming up with your
I did.
best merchandise ideas to make 5-Star Marine successful.
Not successful. No, just to make some money.
And so far,
Yes.
you've come up with something that we can wee in.
Yes. Very good. You get caught short a lot.
You've come up with a jacket that you can't see out of. You've
Yes.
come up with eye goggles that you can't see out of.
Yes.
You've come up with something that the dog's eaten.
The kayak cup. Yes.
Plastic shoes.
What about the chair? Army colour chair.
A chair which is good enough for an infant, but nobody more than that.
And the
And a
foot
hammock for your feet.
But you still, this is good though.
So
This is good.
Out of all of
You know this is good.
Out of all of this,
Yeah.
what do you think the chances of us making even 100 baht are?
I reckon that people will buy it. Look, I just think this is brilliant. This is just, look at that. Never comes off. Never comes off.
Luckily, in our company, we have someone, and her name is Fang.
Julie.
And she actually has an idea about merchandising. She's done this before.
Okay.
And she has spearheaded merchandising here at 5-Star Marine.
So I did all this for nothing.
And you know what she said to us?
Go on.
She said,
Why don't we let the general public buy the very shirts that you and Jay wear on the YouTube channel? The very shirt, these ones, yes, the very shirts that we wear when we filmed Mother of the Bride, when we filmed that French movie we're not allowed to talk about, when we filmed that movie that's got some aliens in it that we're not allowed to
No,
talk
can I
about.
just say,
about.
I wish I had these during Mother of the Bride.
When we filmed that movie that we're not allowed to talk about that's got the guy with the gun shooting stuff, you know.
James Bond.
Oh yeah, we're not allowed to talk about that.
Okay.
Why don't we use the shirts that we use in the movies, the shirts that we move on the YouTube channel, the shirts that we wear when we're out on boats? Why don't we offer the very shirt off our back, these shirts, to the people who would like? So,
After all that, this is what we're selling, these shirts.
And this.
There's caps as well.
Correct.
And where can we buy those from?
So we have a limited supply of our 5-Star Marine shirts. Become part of the 5-Star Marine family today. Join us with your shirts. The shirts come in small, medium, large, and extra large. We ship all over the world.
We what, sorry?
We ship all over the world.
Well, yeah, I have. I've travelled the world and I've had a few in my time in different
Yes.
places.
We also have hats, just one type of hat. This is the hat on the back. It's got this little cool clippy thingy-majiggy that makes it different
It
sizes.
means you can adjust it.
Yep.
That's a good idea for a cap.
So we are right now live on our website selling our shirts, selling our hats. They're at a very reasonable price.
Are they?
Yes.
Do I get a
and
discount?
All profits made from it go to the Living Waters Foundation.
Oh, that's good.
This is not about 5-Star Marine making money. It's about giving you a chance to have your own little part of 5-Star Marine in your house and help those projects that we do here at Living Waters. And here's a quick reel of some of the recent projects that we've done here at Living Waters. So if you'd like to help to support projects like that, and if you'd like to be part of the 5-Star Marine family, then grab your shirt. There's a link here. It's going to come up on the screen here somewhere. It's going to be below in the description. The dog's barking. He's gone crazy. She has eaten literally everything that Jay has bought. And so none of that's for sale because it's got dog saliva all over it. But I do want to say big shout out to Fung. This has been your project here at 5-Star Marine. We like to empower our staff to come up with their own ideas and to do their own things and to drive the company forward. So not only are you supporting 5-Star Marine, but you're supporting Fung and her new idea around merchandise. Also available in office, available to purchase downstairs at the end of your tour. Jay, do you have anything to add?
I think that's freaking awesome.
Just again, recap, shirts, small, medium, large, extra large, shipping all over the world. It's a flat rate shipping if you're outside of Thailand.
Shipping?
Yes.
Okay.
It's a flat rate shipping if you're in Thailand. Hats available as well, all available on the website. Limited supplies though, we didn't go out and buy thousands of them. We just bought, I think, less than 100 of them available to be sold. We expect them to sell out because we have people asking us every day to buy the shirts off our very back.
That's a very long video just to mention we got shirts for sale, isn't it?
So that's it, guys. We'd love to have you have one of our shirts and join our family, and hopefully you'll wear it to come on tour with us.
Yay! Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe and go to our website and click on the merch thing at the top. Thanks!